Hello guys, today I shall be making Among Us in Blender. First we need to rename our cube to... Okay, first of all, let's rename the cube. I forgot how to rename cube. Oh wait, no, there it goes. First we rename our cube to Among_us_crewmate. This is a tutorial on how to make an Among Us crewmate. First you go into modeling, and then you subdivide and subdivide again. Then you oops, nope, we do not need the camera today. Or maybe we could use the camera for now. Just for a render, yeah. Alright, actually let me go back a bit. I kinda wanna extend this upward. Yeah. Yeah, that looks good. Subdivision surface. No, that did not help. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, now I will subdivide it more. Okay, this is starting to look pretty Among Us, isn't it? Okay, no, let's go back a little bit. No. Subdivide. Okay. Now I shall go to the front for now and extend this outward by 0.25. So look, we're already making a thing with the visor, the Among Us character. Now, let's look at the side and make sure to bring this to, like, I guess that point, and maybe do the same thing with the other side too, if you want to. And then from the back, you must create the backpack. The Among Us, I don't know, it's more like an oxygen tank, but who knows. No, it's an oxygen tank, obviously, but... Okay, so 0.25 again. Now it's starting to look even more like Among Us character. Now let's look at the voice mod. Shut up! Oh. Okay, shift. Okay, so if you want to select multiple things, you must shift. Like, basically down here, it's... Well, if you want to select multiple things... Oh my god, Java, I don't care. So now you scale it inward to, like, right about there. And now we've got a pretty good Among Us character, I'd say. But let's give it legs. Let's give it the legs that it needs to walk and run and do other cool things, I guess. I don't know. First, you must select this side and this side. And actually, no. Let me mirror this. In order to mirror, press this button up here. No, actually, if you want to do it well, you must press this button up here first, and then press the delete key on your keyboard and delete these vertices. Then, to add a mirror modifier up here in this particular category, and make sure, yeah, I'm not sure how much clipping it needs, but anyway, now it is time to look at it like this, and I guess extend it down by 1. Is that the correct? Yep, it's the correct direction. And extend it by 0.5 again. And now it is time to extend the legs forward. Well, actually, let me go back a few steps. Okay, so select this square and then press 1 after pressing E to extrude. Then E again. Do that. Then 0.5. You have to type in 0.5 if you want it to be exact. Like on your keyboard, press the period key and then 0.5. And then now it is time to extend his feet forward. However much you want. I'd do 1. And now he's got the funny feet. Well, not as funny as they could be. Of course, now I've realized that this doesn't look that good. So let's go back a few steps again, and do what we were doing before, aka using. Okay, so basically, you needed to use a numpad if you want to get these exact. Although you could also use this thing up here too, but I like using the numpad. Okay, so let's do this like how I wanted to do it originally. And E again, 0.1 or no 0.5, and then forward with the feet. 0.5. Yep, we have got my Among Us character. Well, not my Among Us character. It's not mine. I didn't make Among Us. Inner Sloth made Among Us, and we have to pay for what they did. We are the ones who are paying for what they did because we constantly see this character and everywhere we go. Okay, that looks pretty good, I'd say. But what if you see, in that one Among Us model that I made at school, I accidentally extruded one of these vertices down here, and that's and I didn't even mirror it, so it was only on one of the vertices that it extended on, and it caused a weird triangle bulge or something like that. Anyway, this is Among Us, and if you want to, you can also add okay, so basically this is our finished product, but you can also add another cube if you want to make the hands or something like that. Let me scale the cube down to 0.125, or actually no, 0.25. Nope, S, then 0.25, then to the side. Oh, no, that wasn't good. So, okay, so X, 1. I kind of want, or no, actually 2, or 1.25. Yeah, sure, why not? Oops. 1.5. That's better. Yeah. Then, in order to make it more hand-like, you must put it down. You must. Oh yeah. Also, make sure to put another mirror modifier on it so that. What? Oh right. Mirror object Among Us crew. Okay, that's how you do that. And then now you can make the hand via doing some cool stuff, I guess. Oh yeah, I need to move this a bit further down. Oh no, let's look at it from the side. Nope. Okay, so basically move it down by 0.5. Now it's on his sides. Yeah. Now we subdivide this particular cube however much you want. I personally subdivide it by like that for now. And then to make the fingers, either you can subdivide again, or a better method in my opinion would be to cut these with a knife. Yeah, knife. Knife. Hey Apple. What? Knife. And then he died a painful death of being knifed by the knife guy. And then now let me okay, so basically you can also select particular faces instead of particular vertices too. So this doesn't look right. You know what? I think I know what I can do to fix this. Make it look like an actual hand, I guess, in a way. But first, extrude that a little bit. A little bit more. Okay, this does not look like a hand. You know what? Just skip the hand part if you want to. You do not have to make a hand. It is not 100% necessary for an Among Us creature to have a hand. So, anyway, then you save this as one of these. But if you want to 3D print it on like some Creality thing, you'd use STL. And like, well, personally, I would use. For now, I'm gonna save it as like a blend file. So just name it as Among Us.blend. Yep, that works. Anyway, that's enough Among Us for today. I have seen enough. Let's get out of here before it takes over my brain.